Hello, you're welcome to this particular channel. Once again, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share tips, important tips on YouTube monetization and other social media platforms. How to peruse your way through the platforms and how to get audience, how to get more engagements on these various platforms, including YouTube, and how to get monetized on these platforms. So if you're interested, please kindly watch this video to the end. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing us how to transfer funds from your PayPal business account to mobile money. That's for people like, say, in Cameroon or other African countries. Most people maybe receive funds into your PayPal, but then you have difficulties to maybe get it back to your mobile money wallet. I'm going to see you through. The first thing is I'm going to show you how to actually link up the card. So what you need in this particular situation, you need a card that can receive. You need a card that can actually receive money into it. Most cards, like here in Cameroon, most cards, like the prepaid cards, you can only put maybe money to it through the bank. You cannot receive funds into it from other businesses. I think you understand. You cannot send money into the card from, say, PayPal. So the first thing, you need a card that you can actually send money into it. Whether be it a physical card or a virtual card. And secondly, the card should be able to support mobile money transfer, right? It should be a card that you can actually take money from the card into mobile money. So those are the two very important aspects that you need in order to have this. So if you don't even have a business PayPal at all and you are in Cameroon or any other African country where PayPal is not directly it doesn't directly allow you to have a business account, you can comment here and I'm going to see you through. I'll help you through how to get a business PayPal account, even here in Cameroon or in any other African country. And also, if you need a card, a virtual card that supports, that you can link to your PayPal so that you'll be able to withdraw funds from PayPal to mobile money, you can also comment and I will see you through that particular process. So let's get into the video for today. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to link our card. So you must make sure that you are logged into that particular PayPal account. So let's get to a PayPal. Okay, here is my PayPal business account. How do you know that it's a business account? You can see this option, pay and get paid. But with you can see even business tools. You can see marketing and growth, which means this is actually a business account. With most accounts, you don't have this option. You can only maybe put in link a card, and then through the card you can use your account to buy. You cannot receive funds into the account. So these funds you can see here we actually received into this account. You can see. So the next thing is, once you are on your account, you're going to go to pay and get paid. You click here. Whether you're using a mobile phone, you can always access these features. And then you come down, you see banks and cards. click on banks and cards. Allow it to load. Once it's open, you can see link a bank or you link a card. So the card I had here has expired, so we're going to link another card. So you just click on link a card. As you click on link a card, it's going to open up. So that's it, and then all you need is to enter the card information right here. You can see you're going to enter the card information right here. So let's enter the card information. The type of card, you enter the type of card. It's Visa. You're going to enter the expiry date. Ensure you have your card handy, or if it's a virtual card, ensure you're logged in. Then you enter the expiry date. Then you're going to enter the secret code, your card. And then you're going to enter the billing address. Ensure if it's a virtual card, for instance, ensure you enter the billing address that is provided by your card providers. And one most important thing also is that you need to have at least some funds in the card, because PayPal will probably need to test the card to be sure that it is working. They are going to charge you, though they are going to refund, right? They will charge you something, maybe $1 or less. They're going to refund, so you don't need to be afraid. So ensure you have something in the card. Then you enter the billing address. So I'm going to enter the billing address, not what is here. Ensure you enter the address from your card that your card providers are provided, and then you're going to click on link. All things being equal, you're going to click on link. You linked your Visa card to this, so it is done. Then we can click done. So the last thing we will need to do is to get the card verified. Get the card verified. When I check, they have already debited $1. So once you do this, they are going to send. You click on the card, you get here, you see confirm your card, right? Confirm your card. So we're going to click on confirm card. So here, once it gets here, they're going to send a code. They're going to send a code either through the phone number or through the address. You can see they say after the request, the code will charge 1.95 to your card. It usually appears within 5 to 7 business days after you confirm it, will refund the amount. So you can see, like I said, they're going to refund everything that is going to be charged. So you now go to your phone number that is provided in your card details, or you go to the card provider site where they're going to provide you with this code, and all you need is to enter the code here. Once you get the code, you enter the code. If you didn't get it, I didn't get it yet, so I'm going to ask for code. I'm going to click on get code. The code is on the way. So they say, as your request is going to take up to maybe 5 to 7 business days to get this code. And once you get this code, you're simply going to get back here, and then you're going to enter the code and get your card verified. And once that is done, your card is ready to receive funds or to send funds through PayPal, and you're going to get it done. So thank you for watching this far. In our next video, we're going to be showing how you can actually withdraw practically. We're going to show how you can practically withdraw from your PayPal account to your card, and from your card to your mobile money wallet. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please kindly help us to share, comment, like, and ask your questions. And if you want to have a PayPal business account, contact us and you'll get that done. Shalom.